Jeffy has the hiccups, and yeah.
Hey, Daddy. Jeffy, what do you want? I was wondering if I could go in the bathroom and try my pee-pee in the toilet seat.
Why would you do
Jeffy,
that?
the hiccups. The hiccups? Why? I don't know. They just come randomly, but they're really annoying. I hate them. Jeffy, stop doing that. I can't help it, Daddy. Well, then go over there and do it. I don't want to hear them.
Yeah. Oh, shoot. I almost dropped my tablet. Oh.
Jeffy! Oh, okay, we have to get rid of those hiccups. Just hold your breath for a really long time. Hold my breath? Yeah. Just hold your breath. It'll make them go away. Just hold your breath.
Yeah.
You can't breathe anymore.
Yeah.
Keep holding your breath.
Nope. It's not going to work now. Okay.
Just keep holding your breath.
He tried.
Oh, okay, you breathe.
Oh.
Jeffy,
Oh.
breathe. You can breathe, Jeffy.
He knocked out. Okay. He got knocked the heck out.
Jeffy, an innocent kid that died because his dad forced him to hold his breath.
Nope. Wait. Oh my God! Super Mario Logan killed Kenny.
CPR.
It just sounds like he's just spitting in his mouth.
Your hiccups are gone, Jeffy. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna call a doctor, and he's gonna help get rid of those because
Boy.
they're annoying.
He just brought you back from heaven.
Okay.
You better thank him.
All right, what's the emergency?
Okay, my son has hiccups.
You call the doctor for hiccups? Are you kidding me? I could be doing surgery right now. I could be saving lives, not helping a kid with hiccups.
Yeah, Daddy. Stop hitting me. He has hiccups, and I want him gone. What can we do?
Well, I don't know. I'm not a hiccup specialist.
What? There's a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I know one.
Well, can you call him? I really need him.
Okay, yeah, sure, I'll call him. Hey there, I'm the hiccup specialist. It's me.
You're a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I went to 5 years of hiccup school.
What, are your parents proud of that?
No, they are not.
Well, how do you get rid of hiccups?
Well, obviously,
I'm gonna have to take a
what
look
do you
at Jeffy
expect?
and see how bad these hiccups are.
It's Brooklyn tea guy.
Really get up in there? It smells like pepperonis. Yeah, it's a really bad case of hiccups.
Well, how do you get rid of them?
Well, usually in a case like this, we have to scare them. It's a part of a 7-stage process. So basically, we're gonna have to boom. Yeah, it didn't work. All right, well, if that didn't work, I guess the only thing we gotta do now is boom.
I knew it.
No, not quite. I'm gonna have to go out to my car and.
I was really expecting for Jeffy to actually fall for that. I almost said Beffy. Why did I almost say Beffy? But I was really expecting for Jeffy to actually fall for it.
Few things.
Why isn't he falling
Get
for
nerves
it?
of steel.
Oh, okay.
All right.
What's stage 2?
All right. Well, stage 2 is basically go. All right, it's not working. Come on, follow me. Boom! Back up! Yeah,
Come on.
Yeah, still nothing. All right.
Jeffy, come on.
Okay, stage 2 is the balloon effect. Jeffy, take this balloon and hold it.
Wait, a balloon?
Okay, you like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah, I like a balloon.
Boom!
No, jeez, I remember that. That's the purge mask. That's the purge mask that he used.
What?
All right, okay, stage 2 for real this time. You like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah.
All right, on to stage 3.
All right, come on, Jeffy.
All right, so stage 3 is the angry drunk dad coming home from work stage. It scares the kids every time.
Wait, what?
Sharon, where's my dinner? Sharon, I got laid off at work today, Sharon. Sharon, what is this? Soggy cookie crisp for dinner again, Sharon? That's not healthy. Where's my kid so I can yell at him? Don't make me get the mask.
Boy, he's right there.
Oh, yeah. Did that work?
Nope.
All right, on to stage 4.
Well, obviously, because he has no
Stage 4 is the
care.
apple on the head stage.
What? Apple on the head stage?
Yeah, it's where we put an apple on Jeffy's head and we shoot it off with a crossbow.
Across.
A crossbow?
Yeah.
Isn't that dangerous?
Well, yeah, it's dangerous. That's why it's scary.
Well, what happens if you miss?
Well, if I miss, the arrow goes through Jeffy's head and he dies instantly. But if I hit the apple, it'll be awesome.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah,
let me
you'll
go
be.
get my goggles.
Yeah.
Boom! Man, I'm gonna get him eventually.
Okay.
All right. Let's do this.
Okay.
I understand why he
Let's
just
shoot
doing
this
that.
Okay,
The
Jeffy,
mask.
are you ready? Yeah. All right. Yeah, he's ready.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Jeffy, are you okay? Yeah. Oh, he still has hiccups.
Well, he may still have hiccups, but look at that shot. Bullseye.
What are we going to do about his hiccups?
Yeah, and if you want
Right
more
on
bad news,
target.
I also put a hole in your wall.
Holy cow!
Okay, on to stage 5.
That's a long arrow.
Alright, so for stage 5, we got a bomb here.
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
a bomb. And Jeffy has to deactivate it by cutting one of those wires, and if he cuts the wrong one, it explodes and we all die.
You idiot, the new guy
The
there.
black one.
They're all black.
Yeah, I know, that's why it's scary. We gotta get rid of those hiccups.
Oh, okay, Jeffy, choose a wire. But then I don't know which one to pick.
Just choose the wire, Jeffy.
Oh, yeah, okay, eeny, meeny, miny, just pick that one.
Pick that one. Just
What?
Did it work? Did I scare you? Oh, man.
Why did the bomb go off?
Well, it's not a real bomb. It's just an Apple Watch taped to a firecracker taped to an Xbox power brick.
wait.
Oh.
An Xbox power
on to the
brick.
next one.
Alright.
Alright, so for stage 6, we're gonna push Jeffy out of a plane without a parachute.
What?
Yeah, hopefully the fear of hitting the ground and dying is gonna get rid of his hiccups.
But what if he actually dies?
Oh, don't worry, he's not gonna die. Not as long as he hits the Twister mat.
With the twister mat?
Yeah, you know Twister, like the board game?
Yeah.
As long as he lands left hand red, we're good.
What?
Alright, champ, down you go.
What? Oh, he looked kind of horrifying.
Jeffy, are you okay?
Well, he landed left hand on red, so I'd say that's a win in my book.
But is his hiccups gone? What do we do now?
Alright, it's time
And also, how did he not die? It was the instant stop. He was going at like 1,000 miles per hour, and when he landed, how come he didn't die? He should have died. Wait a minute, he's a puppet, so why am I talking?
The worst, most scary thing that I can think of.
Well, what is that?
Tom Thumb. Oh.
Alright, everybody, put your stuff on the counter and make sure it's open. That's good. Alright, how much I owe you? Okay, let me just get my wallet. Wait, where's my wallet?
Wait, what?
I forgot my wallet. I must have left it at home. Oh no, how am I gonna pay for all this? We already opened it and I drank my drink, but what are we gonna do? Do you have your wallet?
No, I don't have my wallet.
Oh no!
Jeffy,
What a
you got
scary
your wallet?
situation. How are we gonna pay you? What do we do? How embarrassing! Okay. Well, stage 7 didn't work, and that was the scariest thing I know. So I don't know
Wow,
what to do now.
really? After you shot, after you almost shot Jeffy with a crossbow, you pushed him out of an airplane. You wore a baby mask, a creepy baby mask, that to be exact, actually, and you wore all of that, and none of that was your scariest thing. You made a fake ticking time bomb. That would actually make sense. It's fake, so. Wow, I'm an idiot. I didn't even think about that. Yeah.
Well, I hate to admit this, but I think Jeffy has incurable hiccups.
What, incurable hiccups?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's a cure for boom! Alright. I had to try just one more time. I hate to
There's a
say it,
baby.
but I think Jeffy's just gonna have hiccups for the rest of his life.
Daddy, I don't want hiccups.
Could that actually kill you?
Get out of here!
Oh, it's a fly. Wow.
Come on, Jeffy, it's just a fly. I know, Daddy, but it was really scary. It's trying to eat my face.
Wow.
Wait, Jeffy, I think his hiccups are gone.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Wait, Jeffy, do you have hiccups?
Out of everything that could have happened, you're scared of a fly. It's actually called Fly, but it's actually what one of the characters say. The fry.
I think that fly, it cured his hiccups.
You killed my grandfather.
Oh, no, please don't tell me.
Oh,
Alright, I'm gonna go get the crossbow.
no. Okay, SML question. How would you scare someone if you had to? Funniest comment wins a free video game. Not on my channel. I have no clue how to actually send out stuff on giveaways if I ever do one. But I'm not gonna do one right now, or I might not ever do one, and that might suck, cause you guys might know me as the YouTuber that doesn't do giveaways. That's gonna be pretty bad for me. Anyways, you guys should smash the like button. And hold on. Okay. Alright, and actually, how would you scare someone if you had to? How would you? Tell me in the comments I can't speak. Please tell me in my comments section below. And yeah. I could no, I was just trying to say something, but never mind. Anyways, see you all in the next video of mine, and good.